Hey, I'm here to show you the best free option for retopologizing, and it might just amaze you. The software itself is pretty straightforward. Basically, you would open your mesh, and keep in mind you can't use FBX, I use OBJ in this scenario. I will open my high poly rock. Once it's open, you will go to remesh as, and you can configure this as you like, but I keep on the default because it is the best option in my opinion. And before we go on to orientation field, we should go to advanced and just orientation field flow lines. Just select that so we will be able to see them. Target vertex count, you can select that as you like. For my scenario, I think something like 10 to 15k will do. 11.8, I think that should be pretty good. And now for the orientation field, you should select solve here. And once it solves itself, you will see a bunch of flowing lines like this. And now, if you have some model of a human-like or an animal or anything that will need this adjustments, you need to actually use this hair comb brush. And I think I have a few adjustments here that need to be made. So let me just find them here. So yeah, this one kind of seems not good. So I'm just gonna draw a line there to fix those lines sort of. Here I need a line as well because these lines are a bit too wobbly and I don't want that in my rock mesh. I want this one to have straighter lines here as well, and that should fix it. Yep. And maybe we want here some straight lines. And here, but it already fixed it, I suppose. And basically you would go around your mesh and find these places where the lines are kind of weird and you don't want them to be like that. But don't worry, you can always go back and fix and iterate stuff. Once you're happy with it, just click solve again, just in case. And we will go to position field. And you don't need to actually alter anything here, you just need to click solve. And here you actually get the first glimpse of what the retopology will look like. So you can see if there are some abnormalities here, or if everything is good actually. So you just need to go around your mesh, see if everything is doing okay, and it appears that my mesh is pretty good. So once you're happy with it, just go back to export mesh, and I will select pure quad mesh, and to see your mesh actually retopologized, press on extract mesh here. And once you press that, you will see the mesh as it is. And now you can see the retopology is done pretty good. Now we could have gone probably lower for this, but I like the number of polygons I see here, so for me it's completely fine. And to save, you just need to click on here save and just choose a name of your liking, and keep in mind you need to add .obj at the end so everything works basically. And that is actually how simple it is. Just put your mesh in, retopologize it, do a little bit of iterations, and that is it. Well, that's all for now. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a try and see for yourself just how much it can improve your workflow. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the software, leave a comment below. You can watch this video on a similar topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.